Hey there, welcome to this tutorial on how to unblock someone on the Facebook app in 2023. If you've accidentally blocked someone or you've had a change of heart and want to unblock someone you've previously blocked, this tutorial will show you how to do it in just a minute. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines or your profile picture in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, please tap on Profile Settings. Next, in the Profile Settings menu, please tap on Blocking. Here, you'll see a list of all the people and pages you've previously blocked. To unblock someone, simply tap on their name. Confirm that you want to unblock them by tapping on Unblock button. And that's it. The person you've unblocked will now be able to see your profile and interact with you on Facebook again. If you want to unblock someone using Facebook Web, please check this next video right here. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.